Hello guys and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I will be showing you how to like a game on Roblox. So you can like a game by tapping on the game. So I'm going to tap on Dress to Impress. Make sure that you're logged in first in order to like a game. So as you can see here, there are two buttons right here. The two buttons are triangles. The first one is pointing downwards and the second one is pointing upwards. So you want to tap on the triangle that is pointing upwards in order to like the game. If you want to dislike the game, just tap on the triangle that is pointing downwards. So like that. So as you can see here, it says you must visit this experience before rating it. So you need to play the game first in order to like or dislike the game. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.